up, you guys? It's your realtor Justin here. I'm at 5506 here at One Burrard. Come check it out with me.
This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit in one of Vancouver's newest buildings, One Burrard. In this beautiful kitchen, we have a Gaggenau appliance package with a wine fridge. This home features 2 patios. You feel like you're on top of Vancouver with these views. With over 1,500 square feet, you got lots of space to entertain. This is a primary bedroom. You have your own private patio and a beautiful ensuite that has double sink, shower, and a bathtub. At the front of this unit, you have a great powder room. Then you have a little den as well. Behind this door is your stacked washer and dryer. Another large bathroom and shower, and 2 spacious bedrooms.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you're looking to call this home, call me, your realtor Justin, today.